Hey, it's me, Blippi. Today, you and I are gonna draw an animal. And this animal looks like a horse, a bit smaller, and it's only black and white. Yeah, a zebra! Since the paper is white, let's take a black marker, draw an oval for the head, an oval for the body. Ooh, and let's draw a rectangle right there for the neck. Well, kind of looks like a square, but let's draw 4 rectangles on the bottom for the legs. Whoa, there we go. All right, now let's draw some flowy lines for the tail. Whoa, now it's starting to look like a zebra, right? Yeah, we need an oval for the ear though, a circle for the eye, ooh, a curved line for the snout. Ooh, there we go, and a smiley face. And then what do zebras have? Yeah, stripes. So let's do some stripes just like that. Perfect. Some on the neck right there. And then we can't forget about the mane. Whoa! Let's color in the mane black. There we go. Oh, what a pretty zebra. Well, if you love drawing with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you like playing outside during the day? I do too, but I have a question for you. What's that big circle thing in the sky that's really bright and really hot? Yeah, it's the sun. Maybe you and I could draw the sun today together. All right, since it's a circle, let's start by drawing a circle. Here we go. Perfect. And then these light rays shine out from the side. So let's draw those. It's like a bunch of U's. Yeah, see that? Whoa, it's so shiny. Whoa, there we go. And since playing outside is so much fun and happy, maybe we could make the sun have some sunglasses since it's so bright and a smiley face because playing outside is so much fun. Whoa! Oh, let's connect those lenses. Well, if you like drawing with me and you want to draw some more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Keep playing outside. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi, and I have something really fun for us to draw together today. Let's draw a castle. There's a lot of rectangles on this one, so first let's draw a sideways rectangle like that. There we go. And then a rectangle, a really tall one right in the middle. And then a shorter one on this side. Whoa, look at that. And then a shorter one on this side right here. Whoa, and then we can draw a nice triangle right up top on all 3 of these. Whoa, it's starting to look like a castle, right? Oh, and you can't forget about the drawbridge. There we go. Whoa, and then let's draw a little flag up top. Whoa, there we go. Cool, and let's draw some windows right there. Whoa, do you like that castle? I do too. I would love to live in a castle. Well, if you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. And I was just acting like I was driving a race car. Race cars are so fast. Hey, maybe you and I can draw a race car. All right, first let's start with the color blue and let's draw the wheels and tires. Every race car has 4 wheels and tires, but since we're drawing it from the side, all we need to do is draw 2. And do you see those tires? Yeah, they're circles. Ooh, and let's draw the body of the race car. Whoa, a nice aerodynamic shape. Whoa, so fast. And then let's draw a triangle for the back right there, a triangle for the front right here. Whoa, cool. And then let's switch colors and let's draw red flames because they're so fast. Cool. And let's not forget about the spoiler. Whoa, doesn't that look like a cool race car? I know, right? Well, if you like race cars and you love drawing with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Vroom. Hey, it's me, Blippi. And do you want to draw something else with me? Yeah, let's draw the night sky. Wow, at nighttime, is there the sun or the moon? Yeah, the moon. So let's act like we're drawing a circle, but let's stop halfway. And then let's arch it back the same way. Yeah, that looks like the moon, doesn't it? Yeah, the moon actually can look different. Yeah, at different times of the month. Yeah, because light hits it in different ways. Oh, hey, and what else is in the night sky? Yeah, stars. Let's draw some orange stars. There we go. Wow, this is perfect. I love the nighttime. Oh, it's so relaxing. And look, my two favorite colors, blue and orange. Well, this is the end of this video. And if you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. See you later. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. I think we should draw something together. A big machine that puts out fires. And most of the time, it's the color red. Yeah, a fire truck. Let's draw this. All right, first there's gonna be a rectangle up front for the cab. Whoa, and then, whoa, a sideways rectangle. Yeah, and that's where all the tools are. Ooh, and up here, yeah, we can draw another rectangle with a bunch of lines on it. Yeah, do you know what that is? Yeah, the ladder. And you can't forget about the wheels and tires. There we go. Oh, and a window for the cab. Oh, and then circle. A circle, a circle, a circle. Yeah, it looks like a spiral. And that is the hose and the sprayer. Yeah, can't forget about the half circle up there for the siren. Wow, now that's a great looking fire truck. If you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Woo, woo, woo. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Trick or treat. Whoa. Do you know what trick or treat is from? Yeah, Halloween. And do you know what people decorate their houses with? Jack-o'-lanterns! Yeah! Jack-o'-lanterns are pumpkins that they carve pieces out to make silly faces with, and they look really cool. So first, let's take orange because pumpkins are orange. And then let's draw a circle, but it's not a normal circle. It's a squished down circle, as if you squished it from the top and the bottom. And then let's draw some lines. Yeah, so then we can give it some texture, but then we need a stem right up here. Just like that. There you go. Whoa! And then for the silly face. Whoa! Let's draw some triangles. There we go. There we go. And for the mouth. There we go. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah, like a tooth. Well, if you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. See you again. Trick or treat.